Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to find out how much inventory another seller has on a particular product in Amazon. Alright, so before I show you guys the strategy here, I want to let you guys know that I've added 2 more exclusive episodes on the Skillshare course that I have for Amazon FBA for Canadians. This is exclusive content that I'm only putting on this Skillshare course, and you guys can get 2 months free access. If you head down to the description below, it will take you straight to the course and you will get 2 months free access to all of the content that I have, including all of the exclusive content that I've been uploading every week. So feel free to check that down below. Okay, so let me show you how you guys can find out how much inventory another seller has. Now, this is going to be beneficial if you also want to sell the same product, but you want to, potentially see, okay, how many do they have? I might wait for them to sell out and then it'll go on to my listing. Because if you don't necessarily want to lower your price, which I don't think is a very good strategy, to keep lowering it until you get very, very little profits. If it's a good item and it sells, you can wait for them to sell out and then so it moves on to you. So you might be wondering, what is this toy that I have here on the screen? Well, this is a toy that I sold last Q4, and I think I sold like 3 or 4 of them. I can't remember exactly. Definitely more than 2 for sure. And this is a character named Randy Savage, and he's from WWE. And the only reason why I know him is because from the 90s, my cousins would make me watch the wrestling show, and I didn't enjoy it, but we were always being babysat by their mom. So my cousins were older than me, so they had first dibs on the TV, and that was back then when all you had was just one TV in the room. So I guess in a way, it's good that I went through that because I'm actually benefiting from it now because I sold a bunch of these things. But anyways, okay, so let's say I want to sell this too, and I want to know, okay, there are a bunch of other sellers on this. If you click on over here, there's a bunch of sellers here. And I remember getting this toy for less than $14, maybe even $9.99 or $12.99, somewhere around that point. So it was a pretty decent profit on this toy. And you'll see here there are a bunch of sellers. But what you'll also notice is none of them are FBA, which is really good. So if you guys can find this toy for cheap, I would definitely list it, because I believe I was selling this toy for 57, 58, less than 60, but definitely above 55 for sure. Alright, so you found an item. You know that it's good. It's got a good ranking. It's got 18, almost 5-star reviews, which is really good. And you want to know, okay, how many does this person have? The current person that's on the actual listing. So what you need to do is make sure that you're signed into your Amazon account, and this is for Amazon Canada. Make sure that you're logged in, and you're going to pretend to buy the item, but you're not actually going to buy the item, and they will tell you how many pieces they have of this product. Sometimes they'll tell you right away here. They'll say something like 2 in stock, 3 in stock, but they only will tell you that if there's very few amount left. So it's not really telling me that here, it's not saying anything, so I have reason to believe that they have more than 5. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go click add to cart. Okay, so it's being added to the cart, and now I'm going to click on cart, and then from here I'm going to go to quantity, and then I'm going to pretend like I want to buy more than 10. So I'm going to go 10 plus. And then you can enter a number like 999, because chances are most people aren't going to have more than 1,000. If it's a private label product or a really, really mainstream product, then yeah, there'll be more than 1,000. But usually there's not going to be more than 1,000. So now I just go 999, click update, and then it's literally going to tell me The seller only has 8 of these available. So from that number, you can now decide, okay, do I want to send this in now? Do I want to wait a little bit until it lowers down? Me personally, I generally start sending in things around Q3, near the end of start of Q3, end of Q2. I'll start sending in products and start building up my inventory for the winter blowout, which is Q4, where everyone starts buying stuff. That's kind of my strategy and what I do with Amazon FBA in Canada. So that is how you find out how many items another seller has in their inventory. Thank you guys so much for watching. And again, I have uploaded 2 new episodes, 2 new exclusive episodes that only go on that Amazon FBA course on Skillshare. The first episode, I went to a Dollarama and found some good items that you guys can find. And also I did a little bit of online arbitrage and found some good items where you can create listings and literally have no competition. If you are interested, check that out in the description below. Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Back from the dead.